How you say 1,000 again? Miliona?
Oh, stupido, mille dollari.
You okay?
All right, I got Chinky Millie right
Yeah,
there.
I'm great.
Oh, shingle $1,000,000.
That's what I said, Chinky Millie.
Stupido americano.
Yeah, stupido Zippo over there.
Vaffanculo.
Fucking rigatoni, all right? Yeah, fuck Cusa. Jesus Christ! Holy shit. You know, you could have won somebody. You almost gave me a heart attack. Blah, 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 blah. What, he's your friend?